Welcome to Professor's Garage. Hello, my friend. This is Professor Key. While I might not be Elon Musk, I've got some exciting stories and valuable lessons from my experience as a chief engineer to share with you today. Not long ago, we celebrated reaching 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Now, more than 2,000 of you have chosen to follow Professor's Garage. I'm overwhelmed by the attention and support you have poured into this channel. I truly appreciate you stopping by and giving me the opportunity to teach and serve in a special way. As a token of appreciation, I would like to share more about my background as both a chief engineer and a scientist. My name is John Key, and I'm a professor of computing and information science. My students usually call me Professor Key or Dr. Key, but I have no problem if they use my first name. About 30 years ago, I studied chemical engineering in college, but found my passion in computing and technology. For decades, I have been building large-scale computing systems. At the turn of the century, I became the chief engineer for a leading search engine and social media portal in Asia, building a computing infrastructure to support tens of millions of users daily. I was then hired to rebuild the payment system, something similar in nature to PayPal, for a leading e-commerce site in the Asian market. After 2 failed startups, I returned to graduate school in the US, hoping to re-enter the industry as a tech executive. Instead, I found my passion for scientific research in web search engines, machine learning, and data analytics. During this journey, my family and I discovered the greatest treasure of our life, Jesus Christ. To someone educated under a communist curriculum, the gospel seemed too good to be true. But through study and analysis, I realized the statistical impossibility of Christ being a liar or lunatic. Accepting his lordship was the only rational choice, and I hope you found this invaluable treasure and receive his abundant blessings as we did. This revelation changed my worldview and career path. I decided to pursue a PhD and to teach in college. Now, it has been almost 14 years since I joined the faculty of a private university in Pennsylvania. I know some of you might be wondering how my background relates to car care and repairs. Here is why I believe it's all relevant. As an engineer, I'm used to solving complex problems and understanding how different components work together. This skill translates perfectly to diagnosing and fixing issues in the garage. As a scientist who works with data at an extreme scale, I know how to sort through them from billions of sites and pages and analyze them to show you insights into cars and crucial statistics over the long term. But most importantly, it's relevant because I'm passionate about automobiles and I'm eager to learn and get hands dirty. I love teaching and find it incredibly rewarding to see students grasp complex concepts when they are broken down into manageable steps. And this is the same approach I use on this channel. My advice to students is to never stop learning. I became the chief engineer at a leading tech company with a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering by continuously studying and learning on the job. It's the same attitude that helped Elon Musk become the chief engineer for SpaceX. Let's face it, while automotive maintenance and repairs have their complexities, they are not rocket science. If I can learn it, you can learn it. And together we can tackle any challenge in the garage through hands-on and analytical learning. And this is what Professor's Garage is all about, to empower you with the knowledge and skills to solve problems in the garage. And now you know, if the professor can do it, you can do it too. By the way, I've been crunching a lot of data about cars and will share my findings soon. So stay tuned for more insights from Professor's Garage. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all your support. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and give peace to you and your loved ones. 平安。